So in this video, we will create a group email and use that group email to send emails. Let's build a sentence and find group emails. In here, grid add, name your group email, and enter an alias. This alias will determine the full email address of this group email. In here, we will add our users, which will also receive the emails being sent to that group email. Let's say after this group email address, and that group email should now display here. Now, with the password style, we will send an email to that group email, and it should reflect here in our inbox. Might take a while for it to reflect. We can see now here in our inbox that the email that we sent is now here. Also, in the group email module, we have this thing figure bottom where we are able to select a default sender as a group email. So when you go to a job, it will look like this. If we send the document job report and send email, the sender will be the group email that we had set as default. With send, it should also reflect here and to our recipient.